Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello. What's PALI doing here? Resistance? Yeah. Resistance. La, 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 la. Good morning, Johnny. Virus. Good morning. Lo, good morning. Jay, good morning. Kel, good morning. Focus, good morning, guys. Dang, that would have been a good short, actually. Missed it. Missed it. I was busy getting ready. I'm addicted to features now, Virus. Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Slept. No, I didn't actually. I was busy scalping features. Anyways, let's go. Good morning, Jake and Bella. Good morning. Dang it, I missed that. I'm gonna put a line there. Right there is the shorts. Would have been a nice little short. Good morning, Rich. Gail. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. So, hopefully, you guys had a good weekend. I'm just uploading some of the catalyst for the week here on stream. On stream. Okay, so earnings calendar. Oh, yeah, for some reason that doesn't want to pull up. Pretty annoying. Anyways, I'll do that later. But this week is stacked when it comes to earnings. Big week. Also, we have the Fed meeting this week, so that can be a little bit chaotic. Anyways, let me see if I can fix this. Earnings calendar for the 29. Okay. La 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 la. Recent upload. La, la, calendar. Should be working. Should be. So, yeah, so again, the Fed speaks on Wednesday, right? FOMC decision. So that's we're gonna have a reaction in the market from that, and then we have jobless numbers on Thursday. So it's an important week. And then look at the earnings calendar, right? There's SoFi, there's all these other names: AMD, Microsoft, Google, Starbucks. Like the list is endless. Microsoft, Apple, Amazon, Facebook, XOM. Like it's everything this week. So it's gonna be a huge week for chaos. Good morning, Sky. Good morning, Mohammed. Good morning, Shavman. Good morning, Gil. Frank. Good morning, Jasmine. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Puts. See, dang, that was another short. Oh my goodness. Microsoft was reporting twice. Is that what it says? That's what it shows on the calendar? I bet you, if that's the case, I bet you it's just a mistake. Just a mistake. I need to put this away. I need to put these damn futures away. Otherwise, I'm gonna keep looking. Richard, good morning. Rusty, good morning. Dave, good morning. Good morning. Anyway, so what do we have for breaking news here? So SNES has some more news. ENJ has some more news. Uh, okay. Anyway, so this morning it looks like we're focusing on like PALI. REVB's done a split, and the damn thing has super low volume, but it's pumping. It's up 84%. Right, MDAI looks nice. It's at resistance though, just below 390. So we're gonna keep an eye on that. HUBC is a technical bounce, which is good. ONMD has done well this morning. So, and then PALI, of course. Greg has been on fire with that stuff. So amazing, 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 amazing. La, 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 la. Okay, I'll do that later. Actually, do that later. Good morning, AA Justin. Good morning. How do you renew, Qualin? Just click on the jaw on the link that's showing up in the chat, or click on the dollar sign. Oh, the big voice virus. Am I not connected? Oh yeah, for some reason, like I only have one trading panel that's connected. That's fine though. That is okay. So the goal is to the goal is to get to three. Soon there will be no stream. I know. I almost didn't come on this morning. I'm kidding. I'm not though. So the goal is to get to three. So today's day one technically. So from 5 p.m. last night to 5 p.m. today, that's day one. That's the P&L so far. 550. So we need to get to three. So $500 in the first day. So let's keep going. Let's go. Let's go. So yeah, that would have been a nice short. See, I just need to stop looking. I've Mohammed. I know, right? The crazy thing is like you get once you pass, you get to keep all the monies, which is wild. So the first 10K. But anyways, moving on. Otherwise, we're gonna be distracted here. I know, Lynn. I know. We're supposed to be talking about stocks. I need to close these damn futures because I'm addicted already. See, I missed the damn shorts. That would have been a nice shorts. Dang it, Lynn. I like the 3 minute though. I barely looked at anything else. 3 minute and then 1 minute. 3 minute mostly. Yeah, that would have been a nice short. Streets vibes. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Qualin, welcome back. Let's go. Welcome back. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, your membership just expired, so welcome back to the community. What is stocks? Oh my goodness, that was a nice short. Right at the line we drew. Right at resistance, 65. Dang it. Dang it. Anyways, we should probably move on. Already? I'll check once in a while. I just need to do the levels and then check later. But anyway, so PALI's done well. Sky, congratulations, by the way. Yeah, MDI looks really good as well. You just have that resistance at 390, which it does look like it's trying to break above. So 390 and then $4 and then send it. Right. This is something that we've actually looked at in the past. Just because I see the lines at the bottom in the demand zone around $3.10. So we shall keep a close eye on that. Again, REVB is doing some weird things, even though it has really low volume, it's still performing. Alrighty. PALI has a lot of resistance between $1.15 and $1.20, so it needs to break above that level. And then ONMD. ONMD. 5 times. It's crazy. Ask Lynn. Like it's crazy how quickly like that stuff moves. It's crazy. Like it doesn't move very much, and then you're like, oh, I'm up $100. Oh, okay. Let's move on. Anyways, okay. Let me look at some other names before. What's the S&P doing? What is the S&P, guys? Does anybody care about the S&P anymore? SPY's green still, right? I bet you what happens this week is either we go to the abyss on Wednesday because Powell screwed it up, or the earnings just we don't go to the abyss because earnings are holding it up, right? So I think this week is really going to be important. I think Virus mentioned in Discord that if we break above like 490 and then keep sending it, yeah, right? So Powell isn't able to crash the markets, and he gives the market confidence. Then like who's stopping it at that point? Because it's not going to be Microsoft, it's not going to be Amazon, it's not going to be Meta. Um, yeah, good thing they don't have a heavy weighting of Tesla because Tesla would have brought the market down to the abyss. So smart thinking. I'm kidding. Anyway, so Tesla is at 185. That thing needs to get back to 190 and then 200. Right? Elon needs to stop spamming memes on Twitter. Dude is very bored. Unbelievable. Can't believe Elon is asking for more substantial voting right shares. Are you kidding me? Dude, get to work. You've been slacking and then you're asking for a raise? Can you believe this? Elon slacking since he acquired Twitter, slacking. Every day he's slacking. And then he's like, oh, I want more voting rights shares. Okay. Chill out. Get back to work first. How about you announce something? Unbelievable. Unbelievable. Dang, that was a really nice shorts. Oh my goodness. Sheesh. Very nice shorts. Anyways, Anyways, PALI looks like it's slowly creeping up there again, so that's good. Um, Sky, are you still in your position? So your next resistance there is that 120 level already. 120. Good morning, Joe. Someone banned. That was a really nice short. You are Sky? That's fire. Congratulations, by the way. Are you back home now? So $1.20 resistance, potential double tops, but it looks really good. Alrighty. I don't think there's anything else on the list that we don't have, or yeah, I don't think there's anything else on the list that we haven't kind of touched already. So MDAI is failing at the same resistance, so that 390 level for MDAI is a problem. Righty. It's gonna run before market open. Okay, sounds good. Just don't lose the profits, and you should be okay. ONMD. ONMD. I will leave this one on the side as well. There's a nice little demand zone around $1.20 for ONMD, so hopefully it stays above that level. Um, this weekend, first time ever. So much fun. Oh yeah, you've never done that though, Joe? Wow, interesting. And what's and thrust? I'm surprised you've never gone paintballing. It's a lot of fun. Lots and lots of fun. I had a summer job once, and so we had to stay like in the middle of nowhere. Okay, like in one of these like towns, in like with like almost with little people. But then they had this like um, there was like a paintball company, but then we had to build like our own like paintball courts. So then we chopped down trees and all that stuff, and then the company brought in like the things like the equipment, like glasses and everything else. It was a lot of fun because it was in the jungle, like in the middle of nowhere in the forest, and you had to build your own like yeah, we went to the village. You had to build like your own hiding places, like little in a massive space. It was a lot of fun. People were crying in the middle of nowhere, whether you're getting bit by a spider or you're getting shot. Anyways, yeah, it was a lot of fun. Yep. Love it. La, 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 la. Yes. That was a nice short lane. It's still going down. See? Why am I back on this? See, subconsciously I'm back to the futures charts. I just need to look away. I need to close that tab and not look. I need to shut it down. No, no. Yes, yes, yes. Uh, in the tactical gear, yeah, some people have like, yeah, some people are very serious. So it looks like the S&P is back to red into the open. I really don't see like any massive changes though for the S&P. I think what we mentioned. I see in the future members only future stream. Yeah, yeah, we have issues, guys. Yeah, I can see a future stream in the future. Dang it. Dang it. Nah, nah. La na 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 na. Yes. Anyways, so whenever I daydream now, you're gonna know I'm thinking about 2%. We'll be selling. Oh my god, for 2%, you're running. I know, virus. I So if I look at the S&P, which I showed on a bigger time frame, so I think what we mentioned over the weekend was That's the 15-minute, by the way. And the last time we were below the 200 is ridiculous. Like, it's crazy. Even on the 15-minute, I know, Lynn, we have a problem. So the last time we were below the 200 on the 15-minute time frame, forget about the hourly, forget about the 30-minute, the 4 hour, the 15-minute on the S&P. The last time we did that was around 470, 474-ish, 473 something. Other than that, it's been riding it up. So today, if we break below, which is perfect because it kind of coincides with like the low from Friday. So that's really good because if we break below those two, then we have a problem, right? So around again around 486, 4650 ish. Let's call it that. Okay. If we break above 490, 489, 489.12, 490, yeah, forget about dipskis. Let's keep pumping, which is wild, right? Yeah. Yep. I don't know what to think when I look at Spy. Yep. Spy is very conf. Let's see. La la la. JL is going up as well. Oh yeah. For some reason. Anyways, should be fixed. So yeah, we'll see what the S&P does, and obviously that connects with everything else. Let me look at Nvidia here. So NVDA. Lynn, by the way, good job. But I don't know if did you got rid of the XOM, right? That was a really nice play there. So good job. Nvidia still looks really good. Nvidia is up $4 this morning, which is impressive. How well this thing keeps performing, right? So Nvidia looks good. So again, if we look at the earnings calendar for the week, so not that we have any huge names today. We do not. It starts tomorrow night. Actually tomorrow morning, right? GM, Pfizer, UPS, JetBlue. There are quite a few names already. MSCI, like there are a few names already tomorrow morning, right, to play with. And then so let me look at Microsoft, AMD, and like Google's, and maybe Starbucks, right? So if I look at like AMD, AMD is obviously one of those names that's been like look at AMD. Like AMD is gapping up again today, and it looks really good. So this makes it a bit complicated when it comes to earnings, because we're pumping into earnings. Yes, we don't expect them to miss, but dang, is that thing pumping, right? That's pretty damn impressive. Pretty damn impressive, right? So uh, let me pull up Microsoft here. PALI's at 120 now. Beautiful, beautiful. So there goes your 120 retest. 120 retest. You sold half? No, that's not a bad exit, especially seeing that it's constantly failing at the $1.20 sky. There's nothing wrong with that, right? Look at that, it's failing already, right? 115. So especially as we get close to the open, you want to be careful with that. So yeah, you sold half, you're holding some. If it decides to break out, amazing. You're still gonna lock in profits. Now just kind of plan the other position, like a minimum take profit area on the last position, just in case. Just in case. Just in case. Yeah, INBS had some news earlier. So there goes another retest of $1.20 for PALI. Anyways, question for you guys in the chat though: what's your favorite name going into the open? Right. So we have a long aggressive list of pre-market gainers. I say aggressive because a lot of them are up 100%. Even if they're close. Right. So what's your favorite name going into the open? Yeah, let me know. While we're looking at that, so let me look at Microsoft. You out, Gil? You out at $1.20? Okay, not bad. Microsoft looks the same. Like Microsoft is at all-time highs, guys. Microsoft is gapping up again today, right? Like it's at all-time highs. I will not look, Mohammed. I will not look. I'm addicted, but I will not look. It's Lynn's fault. It's not. It's not. Someone else's fault. But anyways, so yeah, Microsoft with a nice gap up. These guys report earnings. We don't expect them to miss. The last time like in Microsoft report missed earnings was in 2020, was in 2022, and the stock still exploded up. most likely because of outlook, right? Um, yeah, look at that. The lasso exploded right there. Uh, kind of had a green day, but then sold off. Had a green day there. So the only problem with this is like they're so damn high, so damn high. But they look good though. They do look really good. His is the best addiction. That is true. 400 for four contracts on ES1 open, 800 plus easy. Yeah, I honestly just want to take it like nice and slow, you know. I want to take it nice and slow. Almost, yeah. I won't be doing four contracts. Well, at some point, yeah, yeah. I want to take it nice and slow. Yeah, yeah. Those are problems I don't want to deal with. So Starbucks, so Xbox. So these guys report earnings tomorrow as well. Starbucks actually looks okay just because it's sitting at almost at the bottom there, even though we know Starbucks is an interesting company. But it's sitting at the bottom, so above 92. So I don't know if they're really going to dump it or if they're just going to thrust it for earnings. The last time these guys reported earnings was around the same area. Look at what happened on those massive green candles, right? This is the last time they reported right there, right? It was dipping into earnings, day of earnings. Look at that, right? Boom skis. So, and then before that, it actually had a green day as well. So, and before that, they dipped to the abyss. So it's interesting. I don't know. We'll see. Difference is we're kind of sitting at the bottom. Want to go half and half on a contract? Bonjour, bonjour, Emer, bonjour. Anyway, so it looks like yeah, Pali is still playing at a dollar 20. Yeah, to 100 probably. Probably. Probably 107. We So come on, Pally, are you gonna break out? Oh no. See, it's a bit concerning though that we're so close to the open and it's not actually breaking out because even if we do break out, it would be nice, but I think we're gonna drop at some point, right? What might happen is we immediately push but then drop, right? And either like still an issue though, right? Going into the open at resistance, it leaves you kind of in a weird spot because you're not quite sure what's gonna happen. So REVB is sitting at resistance just below $20 post split. MDAI is still failing at 390, so we need to break about 390. ONMD, the top gainer so far this morning, seems to be finding support around $1.20. So if you're holding anything and you need help, please make sure you're asking. Please and thank you. Fun is pushing up. Yeah, fun. Like again, we've said this multiple times, right? Like Fun and DWAC, these names are not going anywhere. Um, right? These names are just not going anywhere. So fun. Tesla with the fat green candle into the open. But we know how bipolar that thing is. Anyways, and then DWAC. So DWAC is slightly red into the open. Fun is basically break even. It's up 2.6%. Like it's not a big deal. Right? So these things are going to continue to have that momentum. It would be nice for DWAC for fun to stay above 30 cents in today or forever. Um, the next potential catalyst is the middle of next month for fun and DWAC. So if they can kind of consolidate for now, I think that sets up a nice bottom going into next week. One thing that I haven't looked at yet today though is what BTC and kind of the miners are doing. Um, so BTC is still below 42, which is interesting. Because then what's Wolf doing here? Wolf is gapping up slightly. I don't know if I should put that stop loss at like 168 for that account swing. I don't think I have enough. Well, I'm just gonna leave it where it's at for now. And then yeah. So again, here are the list of names we are kind of paying attention to going into the open. There's a whole bunch of them. So Obviously, some are better than others. There's no need to rush at the open, please, as usual, right? When we get to the open, we expect that sell off. We expect the sell off. Good morning, Virgo, right? So even if you see things that are pumping immediately at the open, you know they're going to sell off at some point. No choice, right? So let me know if there's anything on the list you like, you're holding, you have a question, please and thank you. Again, there goes PALI. PALI is still failing at the $1.20. Good morning, Olu, right? So we need to clear that 120 level. Alrighty. MDAI, same. Everything is still at the same spot. So I'm gonna leave it at like on PALI for now because this is the one that seems to have the most potential potential boom skisms. I don't know what I'm trying to say, but dang, that was a nice long on the futures. Same double bottom. Yep, that would have been a nice long. I missed the short, missed the long. Perfect bottoms. That was a sweet double bottom actually. My goodness. Bonjour, Sebastian. What about SoFi? Yeah, SoFi is another one that's been getting a lot of attention. SoFi over the weekend. So SoFi reported earnings, um, and it's gapping up 15%. So the market seems to really like what's going on here, right? SoFi is one of those companies. Like a lot of people like SoFi for long-term plays, right? SoFi looks really good. You have resistance at like $8.90, Sebastian, but it looks really good going into the open here. Alrighty, looks really good. I know, right, Mo? Yep. Anyways, moving on. Let's go back to PALI here because PALI looks like it wants to break above 120. Will it actually though? Let's see. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please and thank you. Smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new. If you're not a member yet, become a member. Come join us. And blah 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 blah. Good. There we go. Okay, so let me make sure the Rumble stuff is good to go. Okay. Two. And the markets are open. PALI open. Close. Okay, saved. And there goes PALI failing again at 120. And so again, we're not overly surprised that it's doing that. No straight, right? So we're back to 118, 119. Come on, are you gonna break out? 118, 119. Back down. So clearly that's resistance. So impressive how it's sitting right below that level though, because it looks like it wants to break it, and there goes the breakout. Right? Will it actually close above that level? Who knows? Right? There goes 125 for PALI. 125, 126, 127, going once, going twice, and gone skis. 128, 128, 129. And then 130 is the next little resistance there. Alrighty, so finally broke above $1.20 and then popped, right? Straight to 130 resistance. You might be wanting a retest to 120 though to confirm that it's actually gonna hold. Again, at some point this thing will dip. Greg, well done. Fire. 133. Oh my goodness, that thing's a dip. Catch me outside. 133. We'll come back to this. I just want to again. So there goes OMND, right? Surprise, not right. Sell off. What's the other one doing here? I'm looking for. There was a nice little dipski there. Bit SoFi is all over the place. SoFi is going for $9, by the way, which is impressive. Very impressive. So MDI is also dipping. So most of these names are dipping at the open, right? Except for the monster PALI. Well, it will dip at some point. Right? Whether you dip immediately at the open or you pump and then dip, like I said earlier, it's going to dip at some point, right? We're going to have to consolidate. Give us these levels, and then we can keep going boom skis. Please and thank you. Oh my goodness, that's a nasty drop. 77. Yeah, I need to not look. Somebody take my futures account away, please. Anyways, good morning, Paige. Good morning. Andre, hi. I see what you're saying. I see what you're saying. There we go. Uh, what type of lights? Yeah, we don't even have those lights, Jeff. I say we, but they. Yeah, yeah. Other 132, Justin. Okay, not a bad exit at all. It's actually holding up quite well, isn't it? Holding up really well. I always wish though, I always wish stuff like this is happening, like after we get a dip at the open, because then you know that it's consistent, like it's you can trust it moves a bit more, right? When you're just pumping at the open, I know the dip is coming at some point, then it's always a bit of an issue. SoFi looks really good though. SoFi looks really good. That thing is dropping like a tomato. SoFi looks really good. So $9.20 there was the high of the day so far for SoFi, which is quite impressive. And there goes MDI still dipping, REVB still dipping. REVB is actually halted down, and then back to PALI. PALI is dipping a little bit. Yeah. Uh, yeah. Yeah, the topping candles exactly right. So that's my only concern. That's the only concern. Come on, Wednesday. Powell, Powell. I really do wonder though if he's gonna crash the markets. I wonder. I wonder. Yeah. No, Andre, what's your position in SoFi? It looks really good. Like it's your next level to watch. There's that 920 level. It looks really good. Na, na, na. Yes. Na, na. La, 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 la. You got in at 740. Congratulations. That's amazing. Yeah. You took your 41%. Yeah. Well done, Virus. Yeah, it looks really good. You just have to maybe pick. I don't know if it's a long term position for you. If it is, and then nothing to worry about. If it's not, maybe just think of a stop loss and put a stop loss somewhere that you're happy with, like gains you're happy with. Alrighty. Lauren, happy Monday to you as well. Yeah, let me go back and take a look. Yeah, so MDI. So 325, it seems like that's what we're bouncing at, and then ONMD, yeah, we're kind of bouncing off like $1.10 there, Justin. So we shall see what it does. What else do we have in this? Okay, same stock. Yeah, PALI seems to be the only one that kind of seems like it could give us more violence. Everything else seems a bit fishy. Was the expiration? Oh yeah. Hmm. They can suck it. Yeah, exactly. I agree, Virus. You had no choice. I think almost 25% of the S&P has earnings this week. More? Yeah. Yep. It's gonna be a big week. It's gonna be a huge week for the markets. There goes oh my goodness, there goes Pally. Ali says that's all the dipskis you get. New highs of the day. That candle, keep in mind, is not really closing anywhere, and that might be a scam candle. Because yes, we pushed to 143, but that candle immediately drops back to the same range. So technically, we still have the same resistance. Yeah, right. So it's not really closing above $1.30 yet. It's $1.35, and we're back to 120. Right. So we had to come back and test 120 at some point. Like it's just there's no option here. Option one, go to the abyss. Option two, test 120 and hold. And we're below 120 here. So like we've said this multiple times, right? Like we have to get that sell off at the open. Whether we get it immediately or we get it after we pump, it's gonna happen. Right. So we're kind of playing with $1.20 now, right? As you can see by looking on the left hand side, like we have a nice little double top on the left hand side at $1.20. So if this thing can find a way to consolidate above $1.20, that would be perfect actually, right? If we can close these candles consistently, because we closed one, we had a fat red candle on the other one, and then this one we're trying to hold. So that's good. We shall see though. We shall see. Sell off here still. No, nothing to see. MDAI still kind of a bit confused in terms of what it wants to do. This one's still halted. Fun is still kind of playing games. DWAC has gone to the abyss. Right, nice sell off to 3670. Almost like a double bottom from Friday actually. 3670 for DWAC. 3670. Oh my goodness! Look at NQ there. NQ with a nice shortable move, and then what levels do we have here on crude though? Mm. But now that thing could go, I think could go to the abyss. That was such a nice short. That was such a nice short. We missed the shorts, guys. We would be printing monies. Anyways, back to Pally. Back to Pally. Pally's trying for that 120. Rename the stream. uh, Uh, Palantir? I'll take a look at Palantir. Palantir. I know, Rob. All morning long. I missed. Look at that. I must want to take a short right there for NQ, but yeah. You want to see all my little scalpies on crude this morning? I woke up and I was about to get ready for the stream, but then I was like, you know what? You know what? Look at all those stupid blue arrows. Short, long, shorts cover, shorts cover, shorts cover, shorts cover. Oh my goodness, we have a problem. Anyways, you didn't tell me either. No, it was this morning, Rob. It was an impromptu scalp. Impromptu. I can see a lot of like future streams in our future, Rob. We have a problem. Anyways, so yeah, impromptus. So it looks like we are holding $1.20 for Pali, which is good. So if we can stay above 120, I think that'd be good. The only issue we have here now, though, is that we're stalling below the 9. That's the only problem. When it's time, Joe. Right? That's the only problem. We're still sitting below the 9 and we're still getting lower highs on these candles. Right? But for now, though, we're doing exactly what we need to have happen. Right? That is test $1.20 breakout, come back and test, stay above $1.20. These candles are doing that. So if you're holding Pally, you're smiling for now. All right? There goes your bounce. There goes your bounce. Right? 126. Or trying to. Right? 127. There it goes. Right? So yes, it's a tiny 128. Tiny little bounce, but it's doing exactly what we needed to do, right? So breakout, retest. There goes 129. Come on, 129. Push 130 already. Come on. Come on. Come on. There goes 130, guys. 131, 132, 133. Come on. Pali. Come on, let's go. 130. Oh my goodness, guys. 134. We're back to the highs. 137. Let's go. 138. 139. Come on, hot rates. This is hot rates monies, by the way. Pump it. So just be careful though. We have resistance at 140, please and thank you. Right? 140 resistance. Be careful there. But again, that was a perfect setup. Right? We break out. You don't have to play the breakout, please. You do not have to play the breakout. Wait for the retest. Right? Again, look to the left hand side. Right? Like Rob says, look left. We have our nice little double top right there. Resistance 1, resistance 2. Okay, we break out, we come back, we retest this level, we have a whole bunch of candles holding that level. That's a good thing, right? Breakout, retest, boom skis. Next resistance, 140. So if you made some nice little monies on that play, congratulations. Just be careful at all the way up there though. Don't go FOMOing at resistance because you're like, but it's gonna keep going. No, it doesn't have to keep going. Alrighty? It does not have to keep going. So please do not. I'm in hand. There you go. Na, 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 na. And there it goes, 138. 138. Good morning. Good morning, nosotros on Rumbles. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. Guten mornings. Come on, can crew just get to a level that I wanna go along at, Rob? Can we get to a level that we wanna go along? Keep sending it to the abyss. Well, good morning, Mash. Good morning, Larry. Good morning, Mon. Unbelievable. Anyways. La, 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 la. Soul looks ready to push for 100 again. Yeah, we need that crypto rally. We need the crypto rally. It's about time we got a crypto rally. Crypto rally. What's REVB doing here? MDI. Anything else yet? Not yet. I don't know why I'm watching Starbucks on this time frame, but what's Tesla doing this morning? Is Tesla pumping still? Of course, Tesla's not pumping. I'm kidding, by the way. Can you sense the disappointment? Um, I'm waiting for the S&P to load here. My charts are super slow. Okay, there we go. Yeah, Spy's green. Spy's green. Anyways, back to PALI, guys, because PALI's obviously our favorite stock this morning. So again, high five to Greg for spamming SoFi this morning. Not SoFi, PALI in Discord. Um, Greg, keep crushing it, please, and thank you. Keep crushing it. Appreciate it. Um, and then, yeah. Alrighty, keep crushing it. For some reason, I even more today. Let's go, Rob. Come on. I'm ready, Rob. 2024. We're gonna be streaming stonks and futures and crypto, and so we're gonna cover the entire markets. The entire markets. Don't you worry. So I see. I'm happy with the potential though. Like with, anyways. Yeah. Yeah. You know what I like though, and you know what I liked about like NQ is so on Saturday we kind of charted NQ, like plan wise, like on Saturday. Okay, this is what like we want to do on Sunday, right when the market opens. So these little red arrows are kind of the arrows that we put on Sunday to like for levels, right? So this was like this was last week, right? So right there, that little red arrow, okay? So then um, going into Sunday, this was the plan that hey, so on NQ, these are the red arrows. These are the only things you have to do, right? This is it, nothing else. Don't do anything else. Okay, don't do anything else. Either go along at this position. So go along right there, which you can see those blue arrows at the bottom, right? You can see those little blue. As soon as the market open on Sunday on futures, went long right there because that was the plan, right? Wait for this double bottom, right? It's a double bottom on the 3 minute, the 15, the 4 hour. So go long right there. So then went long and then saw the monies. I was like, this is my first futures trade. I should probably take the gains, right? That wasn't the plan though. So then I kind of moved away from the plan, but that damn thing kept pumping straight to the arrow, straight to like the damn stupid arrow that I wanted to go to, right? Right there. Wanted to go to that red arrow, and then that would have been a nice little short, right? But kind of didn't follow the plan. So it is what it is. But so it's nice to see like a planned workout like that on something that like is that might have been a nice little CL long, nice little scalpy. Anyways, let's move on before let's go back to PALI, guys. PALI looks good. Yeah, PALI looks good. Yogi, are you back from vacation? 99 to $1.15. Love it. Love it, love it. So PALI looks really good, guys. Right? We've done exactly what we needed to do on PALI, and it's pumping. So that looks beautiful. Alrighty. So congratulations if you're holding PALI. Um, Congratulations. Your next resistance is closer to $1.50 there. So alrighty. Okay. Uh, Yeah, yeah. See that thing drop, right? So Pali has huge resistance at $1.50. So not surprised. You should not be surprised that that there's a wall. From Hawaii, back next week, Yogi. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Sounds good. There's an entry dip. Yeah, potentially if we can stay above $1.20. Pali's halted down. Pali's halted down. Good morning, Vladimir. Happy Monday to you as well. Happy Monday. Happy. ONMD, that was a nice little demand zone scalp. You know who loves those, Robert? Yogi loves those demand zone scalps. He loves them. That was a nice demand zone scalp. Loves. The S&P is still going sideways here, and Pali's halted down, guys. So again, in all honesty, from $1.20 to $1.50, and it halting back at $1.20, you're most likely still green if you got in at the right spot, but you should not be red, and your stop loss should be executing before we do this. Um, yeah, especially on like anything that's like potentially a bigger time frame, you know. RVSN. Oh, let me take a look. RVSN West. RVSN, that's a nice. Oh my goodness! See, this thing runs every single damn day since last. What is it? Wednesday, West. RVSN is running again. Oh my goodness! Wow. So that's the EMA one. That's the EMA. Actually, the blue one. That's the EMA, the blue one. I think we have a. I need. Anyways, the nine is the that's the nine. You on Pally. You just canceled your stop loss to set a limit sale. Dang it. Do you not? So what I do instead of that, Lion, is so I just what I do is I just change it already. Like I go into like set stop loss, and I just edit, and I say, okay, well, this is my old one, this is my current one. Um, and then so that way, if I by the time I put it in, if the other one executes, then it is what it is. You know. Yeah, because canceling as we get to resistance can be but dang, yeah. It won't let you do that. That's quite annoying actually. Because now you're back to yeah, that's pretty stupid. It's pretty stupid. Hopefully that thing opens and like recovers still from $1.20. Hopefully it opens and recovers. 60. That was a nice recovery actually. Microsoft is pumping again? Yeah. There's only one Chad Mohammed, and it's the trashiest stock on earth. Anyways, it's worse than Mullen. Troy, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Yeah, no, RVSN looks good. And then we're just waiting for Pali to on halt here. ONMD looks like we failed at the 50, right? Failed at the 50. And then this one's selling off. MDI is still selling off. REVB looks like it has a demand zone at $15 if it can stay above that level. DWAC looks like it bounced off a nice demand zone, which is good. So 30, just below 36 actually. Well, actually no, a perfect double bottom, right? So 35.60 for DWAC is perfection. So Fun is also kind of consolidating above 30. I don't mind Fun staying above $30, honestly. So not too bad. Nothing happening there. That is SoFi. SoFi looks beautiful, doesn't it? Yeah, Pepe looks nice. You still have that same resistance though, $9.20. But yeah, SoFi looks good. When PALI on halt. Why would a stock be on halt going down because of the buying pressure? No, it's halted down because it moved down too quickly. It's called a volatility halt, right? A volatility halt. Technically, what happened is we went from like $1.49 straight to $1.24, right? And then they halted it. So now on halted, guys, let's see if we can stay above $1.20, which has been our support, right? And it's not holding it yet. So that's the danger with like getting like halted right at that price is yeah. Anyways, the candle hasn't closed yet, so let's see where this candle ends up closing. Blender says, just want to give a big shout out. Since joining this community, I've learned how to live on the street and cook for once in a lifetime meal. Let's go. Let's go, Blended. Blended is one of the funniest people. One of the funniest. You have to, you have to learn how to cook roadkills, and then move up from there. Yeah. It's edit allow order to allow after existing cancelled, and then another abandon Canadian broadcast. Yeah, pretty silly, isn't it, Troy? Yeah, so it looks like these candles are actually trying to close above $1.20, so that would be good if we can, please and thank you. You have to, you have to learn how to cook roadkill first. Like, yeah, from the bridge to somewhere else, Jeff. You can't just start somewhere else. You have to start at the bridge. So it looks like these candles are still closing above $1.20, so that's not too bad for PALI. Okay, sounds good, Rob. Drop it more, yeah. Drop, 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 drop. NQ is just doing nothing, absolutely nothing. But it's still bouncing up. Like it's failing at double top, still bouncing. Like it's in range, which again will most likely be the case as we go into the Fed meeting, like you guys have mentioned, right? So yeah, RVSN guys is still hitting highs of the day, which is pretty impressive. Pretty impressive. Choo choo choo. Yeah, SoFi is so close, SoFi. So close. I can't even afford a plate. Use rocks, Jeff. Use rocks, please. Use rocks. Crazy. $1.50 and sold at $1.60. Isn't it crazy, Sky? Isn't that crazy? Yeah. Again, it's one of those things though that you really can't pay. You just have to forget about it because it's not very common that happens. Holding that stock for multiple days and like for it to consistently do this, this is impressive. RVSN, that's very impressive. This creates diamond hands for the 99% of the time. That stuff doesn't work like this, right? Think of all the names we've covered last week that we forgot about already because they're all crashing. There's only one name that came through, and it's this one, right? And that thing is going 1380. It looks like it's approaching. I mean, like anytime you get to a psychological level like 14 to 1420, that's going to be a problem, right? So 14 to 1420, that looks good. Look at that, $14. Sheesh. So PALI is doing what we wanted to do for now. The only problem now, guys, is we're still sitting below the 9 here. So we need to break out as soon as possible. Soon, soon, soon. Right? So 120 is held twice now for PALI. So that potentially could have been some nice little scalpies. Some nice little scalpies. Uh, is la, 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 la. Breaking news. MDI had some more news. Interesting. Okay. 3 to 1 risk reward. I like that. Well done. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that, Justin. I like it. Let me go back to RVSN because RVSN is not stopping, guys. Lucid. Okay. Nice bounce. There goes 430. RVSN. Sheesh. Oh my goodness. Look at that thing go. Wow. My goodness. RVSN 1470. Uh, yes, agreed. Na, 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 na. From West, let's go West. Let's go. Let's go. I need to start sending out some like at some point when things like kind of calm down a little bit more. I uh I need to start setting. Oh my goodness! Look at that thing go. $15. Oh wow. Sheesh. 1540, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at the wildness on these candles. Sheesh. The wildness. Uh, I know. Me too. Me too. Me too. Me too. Okay. 1560, guys, not stopping. If you're holding waiting for diff for a third attempt, that thing looks impressive, doesn't it? It's like resistance. Where resistance, guys? Where resistance? La 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 la. So it looks like we're failing at 1560 for now. So FOMO Morgan, just be careful, please. Right, if you're gonna FOMO into something like this, be very careful. Right, every once in a while, you guys, you can see we get a dip to the blue line, so we can retest the blue line. That's the 9. That would be good. Alrighty, PALI broke down. Right, so PALI was a bit concerning. It's nice to retest the first time. Like the first retest is expected. You know, like when something breaks out, you're like, okay, I wanted to come back and test this breakout, like the retest, $1.20, right? When it does that the second time, though, it becomes a problem. Yes, it looks like a double bottom, but when it's sitting below all the moving averages, you have a bit of an issue. So for now, let's see if PALI can stay above $1.10, something, consolidate, and then we can play with it again, right? For now, it's RVSN that's stolen the momentum, stolen the vibes. Wolf actually looks nice for a swing there still. SoFi looks good. SoFi is above $1.20. Nothing to worry about there. Nothing happening here. MDI, nothing happening. So yep. So yeah, PALI needs to get back above a dollar 20 and consolidate, and then RVSN needs to get back above 1560. Lucid is pumping. Oh, I feel like that was a really nice gamble. It was a nice gamble. Why are my charts like that? Okay, there we go. Lucid. Virus is so happy. Oh my goodness, Virus. Oh wow, they're 14%. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Virus was stressing a little bit at the open though because we had a typical dip ski. But then the market said, excuse me. Yeah, not bad at all. And if it keeps these vibes, that could be fireworks. Could be fireworks. Yeah, I'm gonna try not to trade on stream. I'm like, do I want to take a long or shorts? I'm just gonna try not to do it on stream. Futures. Other stuff, yes. Um, Rum looks strong, Bob. Yeah, a lot of these like Trump names don't look too bad. Back to RVSN because RVSN just doesn't stop. So 1560 resistance still. So congratulations if you're playing with that. Just be aware that you have resistance up there. It almost looks like a nice double top now. Ready? Again, don't forget to smash a like, please, and thank you if you haven't already. Okay. Smash a like if you haven't. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. If you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat from Nightbots. Come join us. Alrighty. Alrighty. 40% short. Is Trump behind Rumble or something? I want to say no, but again, just the fact that they've been connected at some point is a good enough reason for it to want to move. Alrighty, like it's been connected at some point. Let me see. Yeah, and then let me take a look at this. This one seems to be all of a sudden gaining some unusual volume. SoFi still looks amazing. So let me. Oh my goodness, look at Lucid go. So FRFSX. That thing just showed up on the unusual volume in the morning here. So, interesting. FRSSX. Na, 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 na. It's sitting at the highs of the day, though, right? So that's always a bit concerning, but maybe something that we should pay attention to. Yep. 3 minutes, 3 minute charts. 26. Dang, that was a nice short. Na na na. 245s. That's not cheap. Cheap, 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 cheap. Talk on rum. Trisha, there you go. There you go. There you go. Foresight, yeah, Foresight. 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 It looks like we keep testing. Like we actually pushed all the way to $16 for RVSN. This stock is crazy. Hey, oh, Musty, right? Like it's crazy from $1 to $15 to $16, and it still looks so strong. It's crazy. These are the type of things you dream about, you know? You're like, I want to be in a stock like this. That was a nice double bottom. Na, na, na. La, 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 la. La, la, la. Okay, what do we have for news? Na, 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 na. I'll refund you from the markets? Market no give refunds. Market no give refunds. Once the money is gone skis, the money is gone skis. What's your thought? What are your thoughts on ICP over the next 12 months or so? ICP, Ryan? ICP as like in a stock, or like ICP as like the crypto internet computers or whatever they call it. Let me know. Give me more details. Like, are you in ICP? Like, is it a stock? I'll take a look. What's your position? Blah blah blah. Let me know. PALI is trying to get back above $1.20. It is, but it's still feeling below the chrono now. So yeah, the crypto. Okay, what's your position though? Yeah, I thought so. Yeah, it's been a long time since someone asked me about ICP. Like ICP, does anybody still play that? Yeah, give me some details. I see ICP was one of those that was meant to be like, oh my goodness, this is the new shiny thing and it's gonna be amazing. It just hasn't done anything, right? So when you look at stuff like that, Ryan, you almost have to really dig deep into fundamentals. You know, it took off line CNXA. Okay, yeah. When it comes to stuff like that, you really have to maybe just focus on like the fundamentals. Oh, let's go Wolf. Wolf is like the slowest thing, but it's still behaving in the way that it should. Um, when squeeze virus. Okay, let me take a look at CNXA. We need a wolf squeeze. A wolf squeeze. So CN. Actually, I'm gonna leave that one on the left side. It looks like MDI is still holding that nice demand zone above 310. See MDAI. So that's not too bad. FRSX isn't too bad. It's holding up there nicely. PHUN is dipping. DWAC is dipping. DWAC is still holding that support though, so that's good. Okay, let me take a look at CNXA here. This is one that I wanted to look at coming into the open. Obviously, it sold off as just like everything else, but then gave you a nice double bottom actually. So yeah, that would have been a nice catch at the bottoms. So resistance at 24 cents ish. Let's call it 24. Okay, sounds good. Yeah, 24-cent resistance there for CNXA because it just dropped like a tomato. Alrighty, Sky. Have a wonderful rest of the day. See you later. Alrighty. See you later. Oh yeah, break. Yeah. PRZO bunny. PRZO. Yeah, nice little run. 10%. 86 cents. Not bad. Not bad at all. And the wolf just hit new highs of the day. Oh, lucid. Yeah. So that was a 5 a.m. this morning. Beautiful. I need to start setting up some like exclusive merch. I will at some point. I will at some point. Some exclusive merch, like the hoodie I have. You know, to like people like Greg and like fans. I don't know. Some people. There's a long list, but at some point, I just haven't had the time to like, yeah, to actually do it. Hey yo, Ryan, you're waiting for or just chilling. You were green on Friday, Ryan. You were nice and green on Friday. Come on, let's get some more boomskis, please. Some more boomskis. More boomskis. A furu hoodie. A furu hoodie. Yes. Actually, yeah. Yes, yes. Do we not have a furu hoodie on the merch store? Let's go, Ryan. Your mug, your coffee mug? Yeah. I don't think we have those anymore. Those are exclusives. We have a lot of like exclusive merch actually, if I think about it. A lot of exclusive merch. La, 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 la. A lot of exclusive merch. You have yours as well, Virus? Oh yeah. Yes, yes, yes. La, 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 la. Of semiconductors, so Senator, okay, cool. Hmm. Yeah, a lot of these politicians are buying these semis, so I mean, not surprised that it's pumping, I guess. Not surprised that it's pumping. PALI is still fighting with $1.20 here, guys. It almost looks better if we can get back above $1.20 this time, because as you can see, like it's trying to clear these moving averages, right? Like you see how close the 9 and the 50 and the 20 and the like all of them are, right? So if we can actually close above that level, that would be good. Uh, why miners going up? Why Bitcoin is going down? Yeah, the miners have seemed like it seems like lately, Jeff, since like Thursday they've been doing that. Since Thursday, they've been doing that pre-pump. Pre-pump. Next is next week. Okay, so maybe going into the week, we need to start paying attention to going to the end of the week, right? So is it Tuesday? Is it next Tuesday, DP? We really need to keep track of the dates. Keep track of the dates. Na 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 na. Did I not post that in there? I did. Okay, I did. Market goes higher, retraces. Na 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 na. The market is forward looking. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Yeah, NVDA and AMD. Yeah. Uh, this morning. See, you shouldn't have sold. No, don't worry about it, Jeff. I mean, if you're selling at resistance, don't worry about it, right? Because if Bitcoin isn't going up and then it decides to go down, then we have a problem, right? Because these gains that these things are making, they're gonna lose them, right? Quicker than like, yeah. Amazon high today. Amazon like everything just looks so good. Yeah, DP, let me know what date that is. Next week. Yeah. Because I need to look. Anyway, so yeah, Pally's back above $1.20, guys, so that's good. FRSX seems to have a lot of resistance there, so that's interesting. RVSN is still playing around with $15. That's not too bad. Um, NQ is still pumping, if you wanted to know. Well, not pumping, but going back to the top of the range. And what did we sell off to here? 55. Missed another little scalpy there for CL, and back to Pally. Let me take a look. ONMD. I know it's somewhere in one of these charts. I just haven't. Yeah, it's not too bad. Right. You have a little bit of resistance at $1.20, $1.22 Juan, the 200 EMA. So yeah, just a little bit more. What do you have that line at? 125. You want $1.25? Yeah, we just have a little bit there. I see what you're looking at $1.25. We just have these issues here at like 120. One actually no, I say 120, but it's really 121, 122. That little resistance there is a problem, Justin. So a little bit of resistance. A little bit of resistance. Alrighty. Alrighty. Looking at bottom candles in pre-market. Okay. I see. Yeah. I see. Let me take a look. Yeah, yeah, no, exactly. That's what I mean too. Like that resistance right there, right around this area. That's the main issue for now. Yeah, 121, 122. So hopefully it breaks, which it looks like it's about to. Come on, come on. What's the high of the day actually? So the high is 123. So it's pretty damn close. If that thing gets above $1.23, that 223, that's a good thing. I don't know if it will, but be a good thing. There goes 123. Highs of the day. Retest. It's gonna do it. 124. There goes new highs. Anyone mentioned the RVSN Max Invest since last Tuesday, maybe? Since last Tuesday, yeah, there it is. Right. So it's had a really nice run. It's just kind of consolidating above the 20 here, which is good. So okay, let me go back. Mera, yeah. Well done, Yogi. February 8th. Okay. Let me see what date February 8th is. 18 though. Pre-market high? No, like the market open high. West market open high is the 123 that I mentioned. So that's next Tuesday then. Okay. Well, no. So that's 2 weeks. If it's the 8th DP, so that's not next week. Well done. Criminal. Criminal. Yeah, no, I just wanted to confirm those dates, but confirmed. There goes 124 again. 124. Looks like PALI failed. Yeah, PALI just failed to close above 120 and then came back down. So that thing still has issues. Issues on issues. Huh. Yeah, next. Yeah. Okay, interesting. I went to RNA's office in Boston and and punched a few people. Yeah, I know, Jeff. It's yeah. How's Lucid looking, Virus, for you? Like, I mean, like not the price, but the calls themselves. Why did I not FOMO into RVSN last week? Why? Will? I mean, again, I know people keep saying that, like, why didn't I buy RVSN? It's not that easy though, right? We're looking at like we're used to buying. Actually, in this case, it's different because if I look at, so let me look at like a 4 hour, okay? In this case, this stock has actually done quite well. Like it's done quite well with the levels. So yes, I can kind of see what you're saying, right? But at the same time, at the same time, this thing was at $1, guys, right? And now it went to $16, right? So most of the time we play with these names that go from like $1 to $3 back to 50 cents because the company just did an offering, right? These guys could have easily done an offering one of these nights at $5, $6, $7, $10, right? They could have easily done an offering. So don't wish, because nine out of 10 times that's what happens. We play with these stocks and then the company screws it up, right? So in this case, it's been different. It's only 900% for a month. Like, it's impressive. It's very impressive. Very impressive. MDI is still holding above a dollar 10, 310, $3.10. 310. Isn't that crazy? 900% in 1 month. Ridiculous. Ridiculousness. When in chop. I ever was one share after hours scam pump. Yeah. CNXA. Okay. ONMD doesn't look too bad, actually. Not bad at all. Not bad at all. CNXA. Yeah. Oh wow, that's a really nice push. It actually came back. It actually came back. That thing dropped quickly to 20 cents and then came back. That's really nice. So 25 cents is your next resistance there, Lion. Yeah, that's not bad at all. Wow. Hmm. Wasn't expecting to see that thing at the highs. That's for sure. 14. Okay. You guys are buying the dipskis? Okay. The only concern with this dip is that we're really not consolidating yet, but hopefully we stay above the 50 or the VWAP, because we've actually been bouncing up the 50. Actually, if you go all the way down, we've been bouncing up the VWAP since $10 this morning. It's been bouncing up the 50. So like this little line right there, but yeah, I don't really see consolidation yet, but it's done that though, right? So that line is at 1380. So it looks like it's bounced exactly off that line again, right? So that's good. CNXA is on fire. Oh my goodness, Lion. What's your entry price, Lion? I think that thing properly broke out there. La la la. Let's go. Yeah, let's get to 100 likes, guys. So if you haven't smashed a like yet, would really appreciate that, please and thank you. So 25 more people smash a like. Is more than already. So smash a like. Let's get to 100. Hit that subscribe if you're new. If you're not a member yet, come join us. All the fun stuff. But yeah, smash a like, please. Thank you. Please and thank you. Thank you very much, Ryan. 24. Okay. You bought the like the breakout? Yeah. Breakouts are fun, aren't they, Lion? Breakouts are a lot of fun. There goes 27 cents, right? That thing is on fire. Breakouts are fun. CNXA. See, oh, that's not what I want to do, is it? Yeah, that's a very nice run. Yep. 24. Beautiful. Breakouts? Yeah, breakouts are fun. Thank you, Ryan. Let's go, Christo. Christo has a lot of like merch. Merch. Okay. I see all these plays for like futures, but I don't want to take anything just because I'm on stream. Because yeah, that stuff has a different level of like violence, so I don't want to be na 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 na. Ooh, that's a really nice play. Well done. Well done. Palantir. Demand zone. La 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 la. La 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 la. There we go. I want to see the stress. Let's go. It's breaking. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. 27. There you go. Oh my goodness, CNXA. My goodness. 28 cents. Ooh, we 81%. Well done, Lion. Well done. MDI is still slowly curling there, which is good. I kind of have like REVB on there just because it's interesting. But yeah, so let me go back to FRSX. So you have that one on the watch list now. Oh yeah, 39. So a nice little double top there, Justin, at like $1.40. So that would be a nice level to break out from. Yeah, 140. Not bad. Yeah, 140 resistance. La, 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 la. There goes 140. I'm gonna leave this one in the. I think this one almost seems like a. Uh, na, 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 na. Oh yeah, it's going, isn't it, Justin? There goes FRSSX. FRSX. It's super slow though, isn't it? Almost like the float is ridiculous, but the float doesn't actually show on here, but it moves very slowly. La, 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 la. Yeah, sympathy. Okay. Yeah, for me, it just showed up on the unusual volume scanner DP. So well, I wasn't sure why it was moving, but it's a sympathy play. Okay. Yeah, maybe I need to do more digging then. Okay. Yeah. Let's see how that thing performs going into the rest of the day. So maybe just leave it on the watch list. Maybe that's yeah. Leave it on the watch list for the dip skis. And then go from there. CNXA though is that thing is on fire. That thing is on fire. 29. So your resistance is always going to be close to 30 cents, right? Close to 30 cents there. So be careful. Please and thank you. Yeah, it's very slow. Very, very slow. If you don't crush, choose a direction. I know. I doubt the S&P is going to give us a direction before Wednesday. And if they do, I bet you they're trying to scam us. Trying to scam us. Interesting. They want to scam us. We say no. We say no. So we're kind of back to 140. What's crude doing here? Crude is actually gave us a nice double bottom. Should have taken it. So did NQ actually. NQ gave us a double bottom as well. That could have been a long position. Oh my goodness. We're missing all these future scalps. Rob? Anyway, so yeah, 30 cents there for CNXA. Na, 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 na. Order based on la, 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 la. Thank you very much, Wes. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Okay, so that's the reason why foresight is moving then. Okay, perfect. Thank you. So maybe we just need to watch that closely, especially going into the end of the day, just in case people really see that as like a crazy sympathy play, right? Yeah. Thank you. above $1.20. Yeah, it just keeps playing there, PALI. I mean, the good thing is that PALI's not crashing. Like PALI's clearly finding a base around $1.10, above $1.10, Lori. So that's good. So if it decides to run again at some point, that would be amazing. Good morning, New Solutions. Yeah, OMND has done really well. Like it actually broke out, right? Nice demand zone bottoms, break above the 200, and it's gone. So as soon as I think cleared that high of the day at 123, 120, yeah, 123 was the number, right? It just kept going. Uh, la 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 la. Hmm. So ONMD, nice run, 140 highs of the day. Pre-market high, we're not even going to talk about that because it was all the way up there. But that's a nice run. Rev B is going now. See, that's why I want to watch Rev B because Rev B, as much as it's not doing anything for now, I still think it looks interesting. Still think it looks interesting just because it's a split name. I wish it wasn't at like $17 though. You know what I mean? Yeah, $18, 18.60. Like it's at the highs of the day now. So, yup, yup. We saw what happened last week with the other one, right? CRBP or something to 30 something dollars. So, but I don't like how this one's already at resistance. It's at $19 now. Like the damn thing just keeps going. But resistance. S- Revlon is on the OTC. Yeah. Oh, you think? Oh, you keep thinking that's what it is. Oh, I see. Yeah. On the 7th, there's a conference. Okay. Yeah, see what just happened, guys? Like RefB just hit 19 resistance and then straight back to $16. So don't play with that. Those things and like at the top of the range. Yeah. We're just gonna have to watch for like higher lows DP on FRSX, higher lows and breakouts. As long as the momentum stays there, I don't mind. And then OMND just keeps going. Lion, it just keeps going. Congratulations, by the way. Good job. Right? So nice little higher low. Market open typical sell off. Open, sell off. And this is what we like to see, right? Either you give us a double bottom or you give us a higher low on the sell off. And then just don't look back. Right? But that sell off has to happen at the open. Has to happen. Let's go, Justin. Justin the criminal. Justin the criminal. The criminal. La, 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 la. So far, it's been quite impressive, actually. Quite impressive. Then we had Rev B and then OMND. Okay. A lot of crazy names. So far, is almost at the highs of the day. Okay, let me run over and take a look again. Yeah, it's on the left hand side there. We actually hit new highs. So $9.39 for SoFi and then backed off. But it looks good. It's up 20, almost 22% now. So yeah, SoFi looks brilliant. Amazing. I like it because a lot of you guys have long term positions in SoFi. So I like this pump a lot. Right? They were going into earnings on a sell off into support, right? In a demand zone. That's nice. And then pop. It looks like you're gonna have issues at 940. Because then this might almost look like a head and shoulder actually. If we fail to close above 920, you might have a bit of an issue because then it might just confirm a head and shoulder. But either way, there's a lot of day left. Let's go. Let's go. Pally failed again, guys. $1.20 and then back to the abyss. Pally is now at the lows of the day. Not good. Not good. Okay. Deliberate. And then PALI says, hey, I'm going back to 120. I'm going back to 120. Yeah, it looks like CNXA failed at 30 cents. That's not a big surprise, is it? It's not. It's 30 cents. It's 30 cents. NQ is coming back down to that same level. Like, my goodness, this thing is rangy. Rangy today. Rangy today. Rangy. Okay, what else do we have? Still looks good there. OMND, even though we have resistance between 145 and 150. FRS, oh my goodness, that thing looks good, doesn't it? I think looks good, doesn't it? No. Doo-doo. REVB went back up to $19. Like, that's crazy. KB, what's your entry in REVB? What is your entry? So we're back to $1.40 on this. Justin, did you get into this? Did you get into yeah? Did you get in FRSX? Looks good, doesn't it? Looks good. Measure volume of one candle in pre-market. To measure volume uh, of one candle in pre-market, yeah. So all you have to do, Jeff, is so go to indicators and then just type in volume. Okay, type in volume. Pick the third one on the list, the one that just says volume, right? So pick this one, the one that says volume, right? You're green though, that which is good, KB. You're green. So once you add that in there, it's gonna show up at the bottom, right? So then all you have to do is put your mouse over the candle, and it's gonna show you the volume on the top left, right there in the list of indicators. Every candle, it's gonna show you the volume of that candle. Yeah. We both showing a 50 million in volume. Your boss has DCA. Oh wow. Okay. 2 years. Oh my goodness. I bet you that average is still like $5, maybe. So $1.43, guys, retesting the highs of the day. Float. Dang it, that was another long on NQ. That thing has a perfect range, actually. A perfect range. Have to wait till you get home? Okay, sounds good. Yes, but it is possible. It is possible. Let's go. Thank you for smashing the like. 7 more people smash the like. Let's get to 100. 7 more. While you're doing that, to 110. Yep. I'm just looking. Just looking. Anyways, yeah, okay. Cool. Oh my goodness, guys, look at RevB. Look at RevB. RevB's halted. RevB's halted. You see why we want to pay attention to these names? You know, they just keep sitting there and sitting there and sitting there, right? And then all of a sudden it's boom skis. It's halted at 21, right? Like these names in the teens, they do seem to be like a bit of a theme now. OM and ONMD is at the highs as well. 21 KB, 21. So there you go. Justin, that 55 you wanted, there it is. SoFi looks good, even though it's on a bigger time frame. It looks good still. Looks good still. 77. Yep, REVB. Are we surprised? Not surprised. Not surprised. 86. Huh. Perfect. Yeah, you're happy with that entry now, right? You came to deliver good news. Tesla is breaking out. What's Tesla at? Let's see. What's Tesla at? Oh wow, that's a nice run. Okay, we need to get back to 220, please. We have 24 hours to get back to 220. Otherwise, I'm gonna go fight Elon. Now would be a good time to drop some news. Right, so yeah, that's a nice, again, like 180 is a sweet spot. See, thank you, Rob. Thank you, DMAC. So yeah, 180 is a sweet spot for Tesla, right? That's hopefully the market doesn't go to the abyss before. Yep, yep. Yeah, doesn't believe. I don't believe Elon anymore. I think I lost faith in Elon. Yeah, I don't believe that, Rob. Anyone want coffee? Yeah, we have coffee. It's called Great Coffee. Um, do I still have that website? Do I? I don't know. I don't think I do actually. Hmm. No, I don't. I didn't save it, but here it is, though. So if you want coffee, guys, if you want coffee, if you're a fan of drinking coffee, okay, and you should definitely. So that's the link at the bottom there, okay. So that's the website at the bottom of the chat. If you want coffee, if you want amazing coffee, you should definitely go on this site, right, and get some coffee. Okay, get some coffee. You love coffee, Ryan? Go on that website and get some coffee. You're gonna love it. Yeah, I mean, look at these boots. How can you like go harvest coffee in these boots and then you think the coffee is not amazing? Like you see the mud underneath those boots. It's not like Starbucks. Starbucks they just sit there and then they go to. Anyways, I mean, look at that backpack. This backpack is quality. This is leather. If you store coffee in that backpack, it doesn't. It only grows in value. And these are like boots, like village boots. This is the that's yeah. You need a discount? Go on there, Vladimir. You will get a discount. Okay. Okay. I mean, look at the color of that. Look at the color of that bean. Look at the color of that bean. So get some coffee. Okay. Okay. RVSN. Because we know you're selling. Crystal, you want a promo link? Again, go on the sites. You get a promo. You get a promo, Crystal. Get some coffee. I do. I know. Crystal is gonna get some coffee because Crystal always gets stuff. Crystal's amazing and like supporting the. Yeah. La la la. ONMD still looks really good there, Justin. So that's amazing. No, 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 no. So amazing story is so you guys know Robert. That's Robert's company. So yeah, yeah. Everybody knows Rob, right? So that's Rob's company. So if you feel like supporting Rob and getting some coffee, that would be amazing. So yep, yeah, yeah. Exactly, Rob. I see. Yeah, yeah. There you go. Will Pally pump again? Pally looks weak, right? I've said this multiple times. I don't like stocks that give you new lows of the day. I don't like that at all. When a stock is giving, oh my goodness, look at that thing go, guys. Look at this. Look at RevB. RevB is at 24. Oh my goodness. RevB is on what? On flames. Sheesh. No, 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 no. Let's go. And it's halted down now, actually. Oh, let's go. Beautiful. You're out at 24.30. Let's go. Congratulations, because as soon as you sold that thing, it halted down. 17 to 19. Love it. 17 to 24. Love it. Yeah. Na, 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 na. Like the 1 a.m. It was coffee, Kale. I don't think it was coffee either. Yeah, I don't think it was coffee. So say no to not coffee, please. Say no to every coffee. Make your own coffee at home. Hashtag drink Rob's coffee. Okay, okay, okay. Yeah, FRSX is still looking good. So $1.50 is your next resistance there. Alrighty. So far is at 940 now. That's beautiful. Okay, perfect. Mara is at 19. Come on. JL. Yeah, we need to pay attention to JL, don't we? So there goes CNXA. We came back down after hitting 30 cents, and it's slowly going back up again. So that's good. It almost looks like RVSN is consolidating at 1360. So if we can stay above 1360, that would be good. Let me look at JL just because. Oh, that's a nice pump for Tesla. It's a very nice pump. Hopefully, it holds the damn gains. Nemo, good morning. So JL. J long. Oof, nasty. Anyways, we'll come back to this one. Wolf is a new highs of the day, guys. So that looks beautiful. Très beautiful. Like it. Like it, like it. See, the intention with that, with the practice account, the intention was to scalp it, right? I feel like we have, that was the intention. But honestly, Wolf is such an easy swing for now that like I just leaving it in there. See where it goes to, and then we can make a decision later. Especially if BTC decides to pump. I wish we didn't have the Fed this week, honestly, because these guys could screw it. Bitcoin is at 42 400, so Bitcoin is sending it BTC, sending it. Anyways, there goes CNXA back to 29 cents. So same resistance at 30 cents. If we can break out and then push. Yeah, I would say so. I would say so just because it's a nice potential psychological level, and if it's a gap fill, then I would say yes. Then I would say yes. There goes 29. 29. What is this? Uh, 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 La, 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 la. Okay, interesting. Uh, your BTC, it looks good. Yeah, all of these BTC names do look good. BTC. You're taking a time out from the stock market, Donald? Why? Oh, you're just taking some time off? Okay, that's okay. I mean, you made some nice monies like the last 2 weeks, right? So you're just taking a break. That's good. It's good to like step back a little bit and just digest, you know? Below, I think we're gonna yeah. Yes. Perfect. Yeah, needs to hold 1350. Yeah. I think when I looked at it, I just looked at it really quickly. So then that 60 stood out. Oh my goodness, guys. You guys seen that? FR. FR, that thing is looking really good. FRSX is looking really good. Looking really good. There we go. So, I mean, we caught this thing around $1.30. It's a slow monster, Justin, right? We caught this thing around $1.30, right? Unusual volume. That's why, like, I like an unusual volume scanner because as soon as something is popping up that usually doesn't pump, we will know, right? So we caught this thing around $1.30, and then it dipped, and then it just kept going. So congratulations if you were able to get into that. Uh, yeah, it's trying to. Yeah, hopefully it keeps going. Yeah, hopefully it keeps going. We need it above 43 and then stay above 43 BTC. Ayo, Tesh. Ayo. Oh yeah, Tesh reminds me of did I download that video, Tesh? So our next thrust beat will be sponsored by Tesh, guys. Sponsored by Tesh. So when we're ready to thrust again, oh my goodness, just wait, you wait until you see Tesh thrust to a remix to a remix of let's get to 100 and let's smash the like and get to 120 likes and then let's see Tesh thrust. He's going to be thrusting live on stream. He's going to be dancing naked. Tesh is king. So let's get to 120 likes and then let's thrust. Okay, so if you haven't smashed a like yet, smash a like. Let's get to 120 and then get some thrustings. Come on. So let me know when we get there. Okay. I need to look at the one-on-one calendar. Oh Lord, yeah, Tesh is a. There goes Wolf, slow and steady, slow and steady. Still looks good. NQ still looks like it's still bouncing off the same bottom. My goodness, we could have scalped that thing like a million times already off that same bottom. Dang, look at that. Look at that for NQ, right? Off this bottom. Oh my goodness, scalp beats, scalp beats, scalp beats, scalp beats, scalp beats, boom skis. That's like a million scalps, for NQ. Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh my days, it's going. Dang it. This stream is becoming a distraction to my future career. Unbelievable. Oh my goodness. These are two massive fat green candles. NQ is just futures. Futures. Dang it. And then oh my goodness, damn. FRSX says, hey, I gave you a rally. That's it. That's it. Watching the stream live, the last stream, guys. Place is gone. Yep. Yep, yep. Yep, yep. Come on, we're almost there, guys. 9 more likes, and we're gonna have Test thrusting. 9 more likes. What's Bitcoin at here? Okay, Bitcoin is going. Nice. Like it. I like it. I want to see Wolf at like at $2 already here. $2. And then it looks like we had a double top, guys, for CNXA. Surprise! Not really. Not really. So double tops at a door at 29, just below 30 cents. Lion, are you still holding this or you sold already? Push. Love it. So it looks like that support held for now. Don't really. Yeah, it looks like that demand zone. Yeah, look at that beautiful green zone, Justin. Right, beautiful. So nice little demand zone. We just have that resistance now at 1430 ish. Yeah, 1430 ish, 32, whatever. Right, kind of the same. But resistance for Rev B. Okay, so Rev B, Jerry is yeah. So I don't think I'd be worried about that for now. We now need to stay above like 1950 ish, right, for support if that's what you're asking for. And then in terms of resistance, it's all the way to like 23. Um, top of the morning, Daryl. It's actually halted down, right? So you're not really worried about resistance for now. Alrighty. Yeah, it's dropping and it's halting down. So you want to be very careful with that. 138. Okay. Like a tomato, Jerry. Like a tomato. Like a tomato. I was gonna do something. I just forgot. Forgot what I was gonna do. Anyways, let's. So 3 more likes, guys, and let's do some thrustings. Some thrustings. Are you ready? Man like Tesh. In it, bruv. Tesh, have you seen the new the have you seen what is it called? The kitchen? The kitchen. UK. Oh, there goes FRSX with a nice little bounce. People seem to be buying the dipskis with thrust of marriage. Well, la, 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 la. Let's go. Let's go, Justin. We did it, guys. We did it 120. So that's what we need to do. Promise you like naked man thrusting, and then you're gonna smash a like. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I'm liking this. I'm liking this very much for Wolf. Liking that. Liking it for Wolf. Very nice run. Okay, so let me play Tesh. So this video was made by Tesh, guys. Tesh is in the chat. This is a video of like this is a like a special thrust edition. Okay, are you ready? You ready for these vibes? You ready for this?
Alexa, I'm taking my pants off.
You criminal, you're always thrusting, but okay, just for hot trades, let's go.
Alexa, fight.
Check your stock now, you idiot, otherwise you will be under the bridge.
Oh.
That's a vibe, isn't it? That's a vibe. Tesh is amazing. Amazing, amazing. Yeah, someone get the fire extinguisher. That is vibes. That's amazing. I like how he edited the thing though too to sound a little bit different. Yeah, I like it. Like it's a lot. Rev B still halted here. Ready? Still halted. Oh dear. Check your stop loss now, Tesh. Otherwise, you'll be under the bridge. Under the bridge. Yeah, Alexa says you'll be under the bridge if you don't check your stop loss. Yes. Na, 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 na. Hold down. Hopefully nobody was in that. Yeah. Yeah, that's a wild rally there. From online. Virus. I always respond to messages in my head, which is wild. Um, anyways, come on, give us an on hold. Is anybody holding a FRSX in the chat? Anybody? It does, Wes. It really does. And so there goes on hold for Rev B. So let's see if we can stay above, like in and around 1950. Already 19 to 1950 here. Let's see if we can stay above that range. Cool, 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 cool. You are? Yes, a few. Wes? Okay. A few shares left. Okay, Justin? Okay, nice. Yeah, I like the way that it's selling off and then going back up. It's almost like RVSN actually. Funny that they're connected because they're doing the exact same thing. You know. Anyways, so for OMND, there's a nice little demand zone. VWAP 50 EMA sitting around like $1.38. So let's see if it stays above that. Right, 138 for OMND. I'm actually gonna leave that chart up. And then let's see if we hold a double bottom here for CNXA above 24 cents. PALI looks like it's bouncing off a demand zone and the 200, which is good, right? Right around this area. So 104, maybe not too bad, right? Actually, that would have been a nice catch there. I just wasn't paying attention. 104. 104. 104. It's at 15 again. Yeah, I want to pull up those charts again. RVSN. What the hell is that on the right hand side? Oh, J long. Trash. For now, that's a really nice bounce. A really nice bounce. Cool. What's your stop loss advice? It just needs to, like when you're pissed and you're like, I just stop me the hell out. I want out of this stock, and it doesn't do it, and it just keeps playing and playing and playing. To hold to highs of the day. I mean, well, you have resistance at like 1520 here, so it looks good. Yeah, it looks good. 109. That's your. Oh, you want it to go up? Okay, okay, okay. I see. 2 more cents. 2 more pennies. Cool. What is Bitcoin above 50K yet? No. 42.6. 42.6. Not bad. Not bad at all. Oh, that thing dropped right below that level. It said bye, head and shoulder confirmed. Right? Yeah. Your next little bottom, there's like 128. Bye. It's 10-cent loss. Oh, I see. I see. Rev B looks like it's holding for now. Cool. Entry at 280 coin. Okay. 1650 breakout. Short squeeze. Blah blah blah. 1475 is what you're looking for. Cool. Alrighty. Alrighty. Yeah, that was a nice long actually. For it's a nice long. What do we have here? 26 to 33. Interesting. Is PALI dead? Yes. Well, okay. So if PALI can stay above $1.04, there's a chance. I'll say that. If we can stay above $1.04, there's a chance. Below that, it's officially dead. Okay. Officially dead. La, 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 la. Let's take profit. Top candle. Top candle. Oh, I see. Uh, to save as much money as possible, you do. Okay. You are pre-construction condo. Pre-construction condo in Toronto. That's a lot of monies, clouds. A lot of monies. Big, big monies. 180. No, no, that's okay. That's okay. That's a lot of monies. Nah, nah, nah. Yes, you made some monies. No, you made monies. You made some monies, and you took the monies, and then you bought a pre-construction condo. Monies, clouds, monies. You should be very happy. Be happy. Be happy. La, la, la. The ask is above 16, even though it's halted at 8. Huh. That seems wild, doesn't it? You do like those name stuff. IRBT, yes. Let me take a look at JL again. Doo-doo-doo. So the ask is actually, well, okay, yeah. So it halted down at 880. Yeah, stuff like this can be very scary though. Rich. But I know you like playing that stuff, so. What if it goes to 50 cents? I thought, and I sell at 30, stick to my plan, turn into a small loss, Wes. I mean, if it goes about 30 cents, like if it breaks out, you can just buy back, right? As long as it stays above that level, right? Every stock that you've sold, like if if you sell something at resistance, there's always a point in that chart where it's like, oh, maybe I should have bought this back. And I bet you it's because it broke above resistance and then came back to test and it held and then it went up. Yeah. Uh, and Bloomberg is streaming. Oh, bad news about Elon. Yeah, see what I mean? Like these dudes hate Elon. These dudes hate Elon. Yeah, it is, isn't it, Joe? Yeah, this thing looks good. FRSX. So again, congratulations if you're holding that thing. Hopefully it breaks out here soon. La, 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 la. On INBS, bought in at 290. Okay, let me take a look. Let me take a look. So it looks like we're failing. So RVSN is failing at 1520. So you bought into INBS at $2.90. So you basically broke even on this thing. These guys had news today. It's up 10%. It doesn't look like the stock is really, really reacting to, Wait, no way. Wait, what? Oh, it's another split. Dang. Wow. Another split. Today? They've done another one? What's the float now? Sheesh. What a disaster. Anyways, pick a number and set a stop loss, please. Right? I don't think I would let this thing. It looks okay for now because it's kind of rangy, but it's holding demand zones. I don't think I would want this thing below like 273. So pick a stop loss, set a stop loss, and then you should be okay. Can't believe they did another offering. You think 600K? Yeah, it's pretty low, isn't it? So it could go boom skis, but for now, just set a stop loss, please. Some real bad news, some bad hit pieces. You didn't set a sell before you went to bed, Wes? Dang it. Dang it. Uh, Futures Daddy's on the way. Let's go. No, so Virus, what I was saying was instead of like, I mean, you can if you want to, but instead of using your own money, so you could just open up one of those, the links in the Hot Trades channel in Discord, Hot Trades links channel. But instead of like transferring your own monies in there, you could just use like, because this could be like your first test, um, and then you could just do that. Is to a traditional. It really is, Rob. It really is. I don't know why that is, but it really is. Well, it's because these dudes probably pay, right? So I don't think Elon is willing to do that. One day funded incoming. Let's go. Let's go. Yeah, gas and oil. Yeah, I'll lose and then I'll try to get funded. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Virus. Yeah, that's a good plan. That's a good plan. Na, 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 na. It's ridiculous though. Like futures is quite impressive. So let's say I wasn't on the road to get funded, right? Let's say like $500 a day, right? Uh, that's crazy monies every month actually. Oh my goodness. Let me stop doing the math. Okay, let me not do the math anymore. It does. It does. It does. It does. So PALI is bouncing again. Like I said, as long as PALI stays above 104, there's a chance. Why? Because the 200, the demand zone, all the support levels at the bottom. It really does, Joe. Then you blow up a funded account the day you are hit fresh. Yep. Yep. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Wild. Let's go, Rob. To help keep a plan of compounding gains in futures. I like it. And dinero at the end. I like it. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna take it slow, honestly. Like if you can scalp $100 a day, $200 a day, which is very attainable, like as extra income, which is pretty easy to do. $100 a day, $200 a day, $300 a day. See, now I'm getting to the higher range, but yeah, like these guys in the futures channel do it like every day, right? Yeah, like exactly. $100 is a day is 5 seconds, right? Isn't that crazy? Isn't that crazy? You've done multiple 1K days, exactly. Like I'm just $100 a day, right? Let's say times. I'll just say 300 days. I don't know how many. There's 6 of them. Sheesh, that's a lot of money in a year. Actually, that's a lot of extra monies. That's a lot of extra monies. That's tens of thousands of dollars. $100 a day. How many? See, but that's the thing though. Like, if you're aggressive, like you can make. But if you want to be aggressive, then you can have like the plus 1,000s and the minus 1,000s. Anyways, so FRSX is still looking really good. So highs of the day here. This is a play for Wes. Yeah, exactly. Once you start going crazy, yeah. Already dreaming of the things you buy. I'm dreaming of the things already. Oh my goodness, that was a nice long. Dang it. We missed it, guys. Look at this beautiful long we talked about earlier. Look at this. Look at NQ. Look at that beautiful consolidation at the bottom. Oh my days. Oh my days. Oh, and it's still going. Look at that beautiful double top shorts. Oh my days for CL. Oh my days. Wolf is still looking really good though. Double top, still at the highs of the day for FRSX, so that looks good. Yeah, PALI looks better, right? So, Pastor Samuel, congratulations on that bounce because it looks nice. So 117. You're in at 150. Love it. Good, Wes. Good. Now can we get to $13 like the other one, please? Greg, SMX up insane. Yes. SMX. SMX is another one of those. That thing looks good. Well, I mean, the way the candles have moved, even though the move is not like, but it's gone from like 29 cents to 43 cents. That's pretty impressive, Greg. You just have look to the left hand side. You just have like all that resistance on the left hand side, below 50 cents, which is a given, always a given. Anytime you get to 48 to 50 cents, you know you're gonna have resistance, right? So yeah, that thing is done really well. RVSN is still sitting there and fighting, and PALI is failing at $1.20 again. So yep, push harder. Exactly. Oh my goodness. Ooh wee. La 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 la. Wait. La, 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 la. I love it. See, Joy made so futures. Joy made $300 in 5 seconds. 5 seconds, she made $300. Isn't that wild? It's back in rolling qualin. Okay, let me take a look. JL on halted finally. Oh wow, what the hell? What the hell is this? How did we go from like halted at $8 to halted at $13? What the hell is this? These stocks, like in the $10 range, are starting to become very interesting. Very interesting. Next, he's looking good as well, Kodai. I'll take a look. What the hell? What the hell? Nexi? Yeah. Nexi. Okay. Nexi just needs a bit more volume because it's 114,000 shares, Kodai. But yeah. A swing trade from last week. Love it, Justin. Love it. And then back to FRSX. It's playing with 160 there like it has issues. So that's what a J long is. Yes, this is what a J long is. That's the name of the company, by the way. J Long Group. So I guess that's what you get when you invest in J Long. J Longs. That's a pretty aggressive candle. My goodness. A bunch of buys at 16. Good luck. Yeah. Wow, there goes PALI. PALI's pushing now. So PALI's back to 120, guys. Oh yeah, that was a nice double. That was a nice bottom. That would have been a nice signal. I just missed it by a few. And then it said bye. Bye guys. Getting a lot oh yeah, you're playing with 4 contracts? Yeah. I think I'm gonna stick with 1 contract for now. Yeah. 89.99. Come on, win 190. Come on. Where's that one? Where's that $20 day for Tesla? $20 day. $20 day. I wanted to close green. Well, close around that price, okay, and then gap up tomorrow so I can set a stop loss at that closing price, and then we're done skis. Done skis. Today, and he respond with come come apes, come on apes, come on apes, come on apes. La, 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 la. On Bailey, any volume? Yeah. What's the volume is what? Well, the volume is 220,000 shares actually. It's low volume compared to like what we're used to, but like it's not horrible. Not horrible, you know. Uh, that's why. That makes no sense stuff. Okay, what time is it, guys? We have like 5 to 10 minutes left, and then I have to hop off and scalp. No, and go do some one-on-ones already. So we have a little bit of time left. Again, don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Would appreciate that. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. Can you please share a Telegram user ID for the discussion? Thank you, Emer. Yeah, so you just have to click on the dollar sign, Emer, and it should let you upgrade or something. Don't forget to smash a like, guys, if you haven't already, please, and thank you. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. And if you're not a member yet, click the link at the bottom of the chat and come join us in Discord. Back in, let's go, Joe. I love long term. Yeah, right. BTCs are 43. Oh, yes. 43 BTC. We need to break above 43 and just stay above 43. I'm surprised Wolf isn't breaking out, you know. It's because of that massive stupid float. Otherwise, this thing would be giving us $190 to $2 now. Silly. Silly, silly, silly. Silly, silly, silly. Anyways, so yeah, JL is still halted. That thing halts forever. Forever, forever. Forever, 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 forever. Oh wow, okay. Wow. Well done, well done, well done, well done. Love it. Love it, love it. Waiting for consolidation. FGEN. Okay, sounds good. Waiting for consolidation. Let me pull that one up so because I don't think I pulled it up yet today. Yeah, it almost seems like $1.40 ish, Justin. So let's see. We shall see. B cell had a nice pump. Okay. BTC cell. Hmm. B cell. Na, 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 na. Interesting. Let me take a look at CRKN actually. CRKN. This one's been gaining a bit of momentum, even though it hasn't really done anything. Yeah, I think I kind of liked it because it was. No, 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 no. I don't like that it's red for the day though. That thing needs to just break about 15 cents. I would almost wait for that. Let me see what a daily looks like here actually. Not sure why that camera is green, but. 1250. Hola. There you go. Still holding this from oh my goodness, 2024 no bags, $1.48. Oh wow, my goodness. Yeah, Crown has had a lot of like momentum over the weekend. It hasn't done anything though. Nothing at all. The float is smaller. What's still holding this from CLSK? Oh yeah, 13% pump. Oh my goodness, that's a nice pump, isn't it, Jeff? But then so like Wolf is up what? Wolf is up. They're both nice and green. Wolf is at 10%, 11%, right? So it's very similar. Very, very similar. INBS is trying to go back up to $3. Looking for that gap up to 12. Well, yeah. 305 is your next resistance. 810, you think? Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah. 810, I think. Yeah, I think yeah, she posted that too. CLSK. Demand. Alrighty, guys. Again, 4 more minutes. Let me know if you have any last questions, and then we will hop off. Okay. So last question's 4 minutes left, and then we can go hang out in Discord so I can do some one-on-ones, and then we can come back for the close if there's something to come back to. If not, there's things to be scalped. So okay, moved. 14. Okay. Did I? If so, no, I haven't had breakfast yet. Rarely do, Krista. Rarely do. Rarely do. Not yet. I'll get a snack or something. A cigarette and coffee, best breakfast. Stress. Stress, stress, stress. You know where to get your coffee, Clouds. So yeah, if you get that coffee, let me know. Alrighty. Virus, I know. All it took was one day, you know. I was like, wow, what? That's what these guys are doing? Dang. Dang. Hey yo, Joshy Josh. Getting new shoes for your truck today or new shoes? It's good. What do you think about Wolf? I think it looks nice. You know, I think it looks very nice. I was saying how like like we wanted to scalp that futures again. The what word am I looking for? Um, how we wanted to scalp the challenge account, but there's chaos all over the place, and Wolf is moving up nice and steadily, and Bitcoin looks good, so then we just leave it. Otherwise, I would sell Wolf and then go scalp other stuff with the challenge account, but it looks nice and it's trending in the right direction. Bitcoin is doing the right things, so there's no need for, to do anything for now. Only knows one word. Yes. Features. Yep. Anyways, yeah, no, it looks good. So the 30 million looks good. The daily looks good. It all looks good. So there's no need to be, going back and forth for now. Yeah. TikTok. Yeah, exactly. So if we can have an easy scalp like that on the challenge account, then we can spend the time scalping features. Anyways. Anyways. Send it, Justin. Send it. Send it. 137 for stop loss. Okay. Let's see if we can bounce. See if we can get a bouncy bounce. His brain is consumed by futures. Can't even speak without bringing it up. I know, Jax. I know. Like oh my goodness, that would have been a nice short, guys. You know what? We need to, yeah. Jax, we need to have like one day of stock streaming, and then the rest of the week is off days. Why? Because we're scalping futures. Future streams. Sound like a plan? Yeah, I can for sure send some future streams coming in the future. A sell order for what, Rob? Oh, it didn't hit. Oh, for NQ. Yeah, we need to. Not yet. Okay. Yes. NQ. Okay. You're close. Oh yeah, I see what you're looking for, Rob. Send. Rob and I, the pivot. You're looking for that pivot. Okay. I see. I see. Send it. Boomskis. 100% agree. Yeah, I think that's a good plan. Of course you agree. Futures criminal. Like yes, one day of stocks, 4 days of futures. All in favor. Rob says yes. Jack says yes. Yes. Na, 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 na. Are you scalping futures this morning, Jax? Or are you just waiting for now? Just waiting? Anyways, I said I was gonna hop off, so should probably start looking to hop off as we push it. It's close. Close, close, close. Yeah, so BTC, what are we at? 43 still? Yep. 43. Rev looks like it's failing at $20 for now, so that's going to be scalps. And then JL is still halted, guys. PALI failed at $1.20 again. Surprise. Not. INBS looks like it's trying to creep out there, which is good. It's actually sitting at the highs of the day, which is, yeah, good, 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 good. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Good, good, good. Just wait till the futures criminals take over the chats. Take over the chats. Come on, send it. See, CL is just playing games like in the same range, which is nice actually. See, this was this was almost a predictable short, just because we have that bottom right there, and then now it's going up and it's failing right there. So this is shorts every time. I just missed another one. Just missed another CL short. See, if I was off. Anyway, so yeah, but the good thing here though is I this thing could potentially rally just because it's kind of giving us higher lows, but we'll see. Right? We'll see. John, what's your position in ONMD? What's your position? Let me know. Virus says PALI and Wolf. ONMD. Let me know where your position is, and I'll take a look, and then we can hop off. Alrighty, I do have to do one-on-ones, so I need to get some water and a snack, and then get back to work. Wolf just hit highs of the day. Sweet. Yeah, JL is unhalted now, and it's back to this thing is just crazy. Look at that, $16, and then we're back to 11. La, 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 la. One contract sell on ES. Let's go. Yeah, Joe's coming back to life. Coming back to life. Back to life. Let's see. Oh yeah, perfect. I feel alive. Close, Robert. It looks like we're failing for now. Close, 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 close. OMND does look good. If I would select the proper time frame. I'm just not sure where your position is, John. But yeah, so you have resistance at 145 already. So support around 130, 128, resistance 145, and then 165. Okay, it's breaking it, so that's good. Well, not closing yet, but breaking it. Alrighty, all. Thank you for good morning. Have a wonderful rest of the morning. Alrighty, the plan is to come back for Power Hour as usual. So that is 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Smash a like before you go, Joe. Peace. Ciao, ciao, Rob. Crystal, much love. Smash a like before you go. Hit that subscribe if you're new. If you're not a member yet, thank you for sunshine. Thank you for rain, Justin. Gail, thank you very much. Have a great day as well. We want to be back for 3 p.m. So if the markets look good, we will be back. If not, we're going to stay in Discord. Alrighty. So if you're not a member again, smash a like, hit that subscribe. Click the link at the bottom of the chat, become a member, and then send me an email. Email is at the top of the screen there. And I will send you an invite to join us in Discord. Alrighty. Gio? Deal. 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 Interesting. Okay. Alrighty. Okay. Okay. See you Discord, Brady. See you Discord. Jay. See you later. Alrighty, y'all. Rob. Peace, guys. Bye, guys. Yes.